Good afternoon from the For the CME. This is Chris Robinson with your Traders Exclusive comment for Friday. It's February 2nd. We started the month with one thing in common, I think, across the commodity market was there was a desire, again, for the financial community to own physical commodities. There's a couple things that are great examples of that. First off, take a look at cotton. Cotton has been well supported all year by a desire amongst the financial community to own cotton. It's a double whammy. Really what you're trading is supply and demand here in the US, but you also have the kicker, which is China. China is the biggest producer and consumer of cotton. So with all the uncertainty about what's going to happen with trade policies, et cetera, uncertainty gives you opportunity. And if you take a look at a cotton chart, again, sometimes it can be very thin, it can be very dicey to get in and out, but it's giving you a good chance. If you're looking for volatility, look at a cotton chart. We just recently had a great rally. We were at multi-month highs. The market kind of got overextended. We had a good correction, and rather than have the market continue drop, a lot of new money came in and bought that dip. So you're seeing that the same way they've been buying every dip in the stock market, they're buying the dips in the commodity market. So you can see that in cotton. You can also see that in cattle. Right behind me is where they trade the cattle options and cattle futures. That's been a market that has been blind to fundamentals. There's a lot of cattle out there. We've got a very big herd, and there's a lot of heavy cattle. So what does that mean? Well, there's a lot of supply that's going to be coming on, especially this summertime. So you've got this, if you can look over the horizon, we probably should have lower prices. But since the financial community wants to own physical commodities, they've been stepping in and supporting supporting cattle. So that's something to watch, because in a market where that has not had a lot of opportunity, a lot of movement, you have to search it out. So the cotton market is giving you that. Cattle market certainly is giving you that. And not to a lesser extent, you've seen that in the grains, corn, wheat, and soybeans. We're still trading a weather market when it comes to the soybeans in South America, so there's been a little bit of volatility there. But generally, corn and wheat have been asleep for the past 5, 6, 7 months. Hopefully we can break out of that range. We are at relatively depressed prices. But I'd say the number one thing to look at is, if you're looking for volatility and movement, take a look at the cattle market, take a look at the cotton market. There's opportunity there if you're very good with your risk reward. If you don't overtrade, you can catch some markets that move. And if you're watching this video, you're obviously someone who's interested in either hedging or speculating, trying to catch markets, trying to look for opportunities to make money. If you're looking for help with that type of stuff, give me a call. I've been in the business for close to 30 years now. I can help you with your hedging or with your speculating. This is Chris Robinson. Have a great weekend.